All right. Hey, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. And it is Wacky Wednesday, April 24th. Hope springs eternal, but that doesn't mean you're going to make any money. Just a real quick one here. If you're really encouraged by this, welcome to trading because you've obviously just started. The market is really, really weak right now. If you look and see how this had been kind of in a bit of a squeeze pattern here, this was the first, and you could say, well, yeah, man, it could have gone either way. No, you know what? It really couldn't have. Back here, this little move higher and then a big dump on heavy volume was the first indication that the party was pretty much over. And then this was really all you truly needed if you're just really, really dense and all you see is blue sky ahead. Even you would have been tipped off that this is a problem. So then we get a lower low, right? And then another one like this is all really, really bad. This is all really, really bad stuff here. This was last Thursday, and then Friday, even worse. So what would happen on Monday? The typical thing that happens, same thing like that happened here, where the following Monday, boom, we get a nice move up. And that sucks some people in, really more short covering than anything else, I think. Then the following day, everybody's giddy, like, okay, it's ready to go. And then this morning, the last of the innocents, as I call them, that's plural. It's not an adjective. Came in buying first thing in the morning. Hurry up and get it before it gets away from you. And now we're getting a pullback. You'll notice that this on the Qs was on lower volume. Last Friday was a massive dump on really, really heavy volume. Nothing really happening on Monday and Tuesday. And then today, higher volume still. Okay. But wait, there's more. We get the same exact thing on the spiders. Big dump for like 6 consecutive days, really, really bad closes, every single one. And then Monday, we get buyers coming in. Tuesday, more buyers coming in. This morning, more buyers coming in, all 4 of them. And then now we're getting a pullback here. Now, this is going to be a volatile market because most people, most traders, most money managers, they're never short. They're just long only. And I mean, I'm happy about that because that is why this is the way the long-term chart works. It generally goes from lower left to upper right. So if you got to choose a side, be long. But every so often, it doesn't pay to be long. And this is one of those times. So as the market moves lower, though, it's going to get closer to that point where buyers come in. And so it's very, very difficult to make money shorting stocks because of the volatility, because of these unexpected moves higher. So you got to be aware of that. I'm going to show you a couple of shorts that you may want to consider on these indexes. However, you got to be mindful of the fact that shorts, again, are much more difficult than longs when there's a proper climate to be long. So shorts are shorter in duration and typically lower in magnitude. You're not going to make 15%. Think about it. You're not going to make 15% on shorting the S&P 500. If the S&P 500 falls 15% while you're still short, you're going to wind up wanting to go into your safe and make sure you got one in the chamber and plenty of boxes of ammo on standby. So this is going to be a fairly short here, pardon the pun. But my suggestion is you short this puppy right here by buying long, by buying the S&P, and then you can put your you can put your stop just a little bit below the 50-day moving average, or if you want to have a really tight leash on it, you can even hang on. Sorry about that. If you want to have a really tight leash on it, you can put your short just like right underneath today's intraday low. Personally, with the volatility, I think you probably have a decent chance of getting stopped out, but keeping it underneath here, you're probably going to get a better move out of that. The other one would be on the Nasdaq, the short Nasdaq, same kind of deal where you get these two big down days. You maybe short the stock by buying this, short the Qs by buying this one, keeping your stop, say right under there. I think you're going to do just fine. The one thing is after hours, Meta reported earnings. Let's just say that didn't go too well. And so this will absolutely, unequivocally, without a doubt, bring the S&P down tomorrow and the Qs. It's a big, massive company, and it's all bear. Okay. That's all I got for you guys. If you are not a member of Stock Market Mentor, why don't you try to make that trade today? It doesn't cost you hardly anything at all. And who knows, you may even make some money.